Hello, and once again, many thanks for choosing iron and wood to supply your new stove. Let's light the fire. This is a Chesney Salisbury AWS, the 6 kilowatt version as displayed in our showroom. The 8 kilowatt version has the same physical dimension, but the chamber is built a bit differently. So if you bought either 6 or 8 kilowatt model, it will work in the same way. In fact, you will be able to use this lighting method on all Chesney stoves, like the Salisbury 5 kilowatt, the Shoreditch, the Beaumont range, or the new Sanctuary. So this is a wood burning stove. You can burn only wood in it and no smokeless fuel. It's easy to see if there is a solid plate and no grate, the stove is only suitable to burn wood. It's very important to leave a good bed of ash at the bottom. It's easier to light a fire on the ash bed and also will give heat protection for the burning plate. The de-ashing is very simple. You only take out ash when would fall out the door or through this little ledge. You just get the shovel, which is now provided by most of the stove manufacturer, and take out the scoopful and put in your brown bin when it's cold, or put in your garden, as this is a very good fertilizer. The most important thing when you light the fire is to use dry wood. Moisture contents no more than 20%. You don't have to buy kiln dried logs. Seasoned logs absolutely fine. Just get a moisture meter and check the moisture of your wood. It's very important. With the kiln dried logs, you're only buying time. The way you light the fire, we call it a top-down lighting. This is the best method to warm up the flue as quickly as possible. You want that warming method very rapidly, so you have a good draw even at the beginning stage of the burning. 2 larger pieces of logs at the bottom, like that. And then you get some kindlings, about 6-8 pieces. I call it a Jenga style. You have to make sure you put plenty of logs in the chamber at the beginning, so you don't have to open the door in the first hour, and also the log is enough to provide you plenty of ember to relight when you're refueling the fire. Also good to put another 2 pieces, just like that. And get a fire lighter. This is the best what we like. It's designed for wood burning stoves. It provides lots of flame and heat, which is especially important with those prefabricated metal chimney systems where the cold plug is a common problem when you light the fire. So you just put it on the top of the pile and ready to go. Light the fire, fully open the air vent, close the door, leave it ajar, and don't lock it with the latch. So after 20 minutes, you can close the door and keep the air control fully out in open position. After another 20-30 minutes, you can start closing down the air vent, about 2/3 open position. A common mistake to close the door or shut the air off too early. Actually, the first 40-60 minutes still counts as an ignition period. Don't open the door if you see flames, as smoke could puff back in the room. If you place plenty of logs at the beginning, that will provide you lots of embers to relight the new log. Place the log on the ember bed, close the door and adjust the control if needed. Maintenance is very simple on a good wood burning stove. Replacing the rope or the fire bricks when it's broken, but this is very rare. But you will need to sweep the chimney once a year. The best time for that is at the end of the season, after April. We provide this service now, so please call our office to arrange that. If you have any question, please give us a call. We're always here for you. Enjoy your fun.